Hello friends, welcome to Arithmetical for You. Now in the previous lecture we will discuss about the different type of matrices. Now in this lecture we will discuss about equality of matrices and operations of the matrices. Okay. First of all, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates on the time. So first of all, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. So the two matrices A, the element was denoted by Aij, M cross N, and matrices B, Bij, M cross N. The order of matrix A is M cross N and the order of matrix B is also M cross N. Now, if the two matrices are said to be equal, the first condition is the order of the matrix must be same. Must be same. Okay, and next one, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. Each element of matrix A is equal to corresponding element of matrix B. For an example, we have matrix A equals to X and Y. The order is 2:1, and the matrix B is 1 and 2. The order same, 2:1. Now A equals to B because the order is same. So the value of X equals to 1 and the value of Y equals to 2. For another example, we will take another example first and the example second. X plus 3, Z plus 4 and 2y minus 7 minus 6, A minus 1, 0, B minus 3 minus 21 and 0. This matrix is equals to 0, 6, 3y minus 2 minus 6 minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4 minus 21 and 0. So the each element of the matrix, this matrix, is equals to the corresponding elements of this matrix. It means the x plus 3 is equals to 0. So the value of x is equals to minus 3. Okay. And the next element, this is A11 element, this is A12 element. So the A12 element is equals to A12 element. It means Z plus 4 equals to 6. So the value of Z equals to minus 2. Actually 2. Okay. Similarly, 2y minus 7 equals to 2y minus 7 is equals to 3y minus 2. Then 2y, then value of y equals to minus 5. Similarly, we can find the value of a, then directly a is equals to minus 2 and the value of c equals to minus 1. Now the value of b minus 3 is equals to 2b minus plus 4. So the value of b is equals to this b either then b minus 7. So by the comparing of the matrix, we can find the value of all the elements one by one. Okay. Now we see the operations, different type of operation in the matrices. The first operation will be different type of operations, different type of operation in matrices. First operation is summation. In the addition of the matrix, if matrix A is equals to Aij and the matrix B is equals to Bij, then the summation of the matrix, first of all, for the summation, the order of the matrix A and B must be equal, and the sum of the two matrices A and B is defined as the matrix C is equals to Cij m cross n. The order of the matrices, all of the matrices are same, where the Cij is equals to Aij plus Bij. It means only each element of the matrix A is summation by the corresponding element of the matrix B. Okay. For example, we have a matrix A is like 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the matrix B is like 2, 4, 6 and 8. And then the matrix, here the order is the 2 into 2, and here also the 2 into 2. Now the summation of the matrix A and B, C equals to A plus B is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4 plus 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now each element of the matrix A is sum for the corresponding elements of the matrix B. It means 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 and 8 plus 4, 12. So this is the summation of the matrix A and B, and in the result we get matrix C or the same order of the matrix A and B. Now we emphasize that if the matrix A and B are not the same order, then the A plus B is not defined. It means when the order of the matrix is not same, then the summation is not defined. Like for example, A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here the order is 2 into 2 and here the order is 2 into 3. So we can't add matrix A and B. So this is not defined, because for the summation or addition, the order of the matrices must be same. Okay, important point. Now for the subtraction of the matrix or difference of the matrix. Difference of the matrix. Similarly to the addition, we can subtract the matrices. Here, for example, here the matrix A is equals to Aij and matrix B equals to Bij. Now we want to subtract matrix A minus B. Then new matrix is the same order of matrix A and B, Cij of m cross n. This order is same of the matrix order A and B. Here the C and Ij defined as Aij minus Bij. It means that each element of matrix A is minus, or we can say the subtract with the corresponding element of the matrix B. For example, A is 1, 2, 4 and 6 and B is equals to 2, 4, 6 and 8, and we want to subtract the matrix B into the A, then the C is equals to A minus B. It means 1, 2, 4, 6 matrix minus 2, 4, 6 and 8 matrix. Then each element of the matrix A will be minus with the corresponding element with the matrix B. So the 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 6 and 6 minus 8. Then the resultant is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. So this is the difference of the matrix. So guys, in the next lecture we will discuss about the multiplication of the matrix, where we see the multiplication of the matrix by a scalar and the multiplication of two matrices A and B. So please subscribe this channel and share this channel and press the bell icon for the latest update daily. Thank you.